Hey guys, what's up? So tonight I'm going to be going out with my husband and a couple of our friends, and we're going to be seeing, I'm sorry, I cannot talk. We are going to go see a movie. We're going to go see The Meg. So I thought I would film just like a kind of get ready with me / movie date night tutorial. So to start off with, I'm going to be using the Coola Dawn Patrol Classic Primer. I'm just going to take some of that on my fingers and rub it on my face. The reason I'm using a primer today is because I'm actually doing my makeup quite early. We're not leaving until like 7:30 tonight because we're going to a really late movie. So I want to put on a primer so that my makeup won't kind of be messed up by then. So the only reason I'm doing this so early is because I wanted to do a tutorial, as well as because I'm one of those people that I can't just sit around waiting to get ready when something's late at night, because I have nothing to do earlier today because Andrew's working, there's not much going on, but I can't just sit here and do nothing, so I thought I would go ahead and do this. Next up, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Professional Harris Ultra HD Foundation. The one I'm using is in the color R230. I'm just going to pump that onto the back of my hand. And then I'm going to be taking my Sedona 928 brush and using that to kind of blend it out on my face. This is my absolute favorite foundation, if you guys haven't already realized that. It just goes on super smooth, it looks nice, I love it. So after I've done that, I'm going to take the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer in the color Fair, and I'm just going to put that on any spots I have and also under my eyes. They're basically just some strategic areas that I tend to put it where I would normally get breakouts. I don't normally have too bad of breakouts anymore, but sometimes I still tend to get them, so. I'm just going to put this kind of in a triangle under my eyes to kind of give a little bit of highlight as well. Then I'm going to take the Sedona 928 brush and I'm just going to blend that in again. And I'm kind of using the, I think it's called Dappling to do this, just because it kind of covers things better. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit more on my forehead just because I feel like I'm having more breaking out there right now. So I'm just going to put a little bit more on that. So once I've done that, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and I'm going to put that on my eyelids. I'm so happy that it is September 1st and I can officially start doing fall looks and stuff. The look I'm going to be doing today is one that's very similar. I'm pretty sure I even filmed a tutorial on it, to be honest. But I love this look. Hopefully it's a little different than a tutorial because I don't want to film the exact same thing again. But yeah, I love doing fall looks and stuff. I was so sad this morning because I was going to put on a pumpkin spice scented wax warmer and I realized I've packed all of them because we're hoping to be moving in about a month, and I packed it away because I thought we would already have moved. So I was so sad. I'm going to have to buy another one just so I can use it. Next up I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I love this for the fall because all of the colors are just so fall-y. And I'm going to be taking an eyeshadow brush. This is a shader brush from Moda. It's an M19. And I'm going to start off by taking the color Sauced and putting that on my eyelids. I like to build my eyeshadow up quite a bit. If you prefer like a lighter look, you definitely do not have to build it up as much as I do. I tend to build it up a little less when I wear this like for work and stuff, but since we're going out tonight, I feel like I can build it up a little more. So once I've done that, I'm going to be taking a Elizabeth Matte blending brush, and I've been doing this kind of weird. I'm actually going to dip it into the Enfuago Ashes and Ember, and then use it to like blend out. You can do them separately, and I believe in a tutorial I've done I did them separately, but it creates like a similar but like more, I feel like it's a more smoky look when you do it this way, which I'm kind of loving right now. Because you get like a mix of all of the colors versus like having them laid out. And I'm kind of loving doing that right now, because I feel like it looks really pretty. So I'm just going to use that and blend it out quite a bit. And I'm going to kind of use my fingers to like clean it up. Again, with this, I'm kind of using what would be considered a lot to some people, but I just like to do that. So once I've done that, I'm going to take a Vera Mona shader brush, and I'm actually going to do the exact same thing with that with the different 3 colors. And I'm just going to put that under my lower lash line halfway through. You can definitely go all the way, I just don't like to. I'm just going to use my finger to kind of like blend that out a little bit under my eye. Once I've got that how I want it, I'm going to take a Luxie 207 medium angle brush, and I'm going to take the color Ounce, and I'm going to use it to highlight. So I'm going to put it under my brows as well as in my inner corners. After I've done that, I'm going to take the black, I think it's Opal, brow shaper kit, and I'm going to put that through my brows, if I can get my hair out of the way. I don't like to do this too dark, but I like to get like enough that you can tell I did something, because my brows are already pretty thick, so I'm not really trying to make them look thicker. I'm more or less just adding a little bit more color back in, because sometimes when I do the foundation and stuff, it kind of takes the color out of my brows. So after I've done my brows, I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to be taking the Ulta Beauty Plus Drama Volumizing Mascara and using that on my tops and bottom lashes. And I'm going to try super hard not to get this on my eyelids, because every time I've used this it has gotten on my eyelids, because my eyes are so small and this is such a big applicator. So I'm going to try really hard not to do that. So after I've done that, I'm going to let it dry for just a second, and then I'm going to curl my lashes again. I'm sorry if my hair looks like super fluffy, by the way. I straightened it, but I like just washed it, so I kind of let it air dry a little bit and then I straightened it once it was kind of dry. So I'm hoping that it'll like look less fluffy throughout the night. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes again. Then I'm kind of just going to like run my fingers through them just a little bit to separate the lashes. After I've done that, I'm going to be taking my IT Bye Bye Pores pressed powder, and I'm going to put that all over my face. I'm sure you guys can tell what like my favorite products are because I use them in like almost every video. But that's just because, I mean, I feel like they're just such good products and I absolutely love them. Next up, I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and I'm just going to use that to contour. Once I've done that, I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to kind of blend this out so it's not so intense. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush from Tarte and Corky, and I'm going to just take a Ulta blush brush and use that on my cheeks. And once I've done that, I'm going to be taking the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Highlighter. This is like a liquid highlighter and I've really been loving it. And I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones, a little bit along the bridge of my nose, and then on my cupid's bow. And I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. I always feel like I end up with like more on one side than the other, so I like to try and like even it out a little bit. And then I typically like will switch to my ring finger to kind of blend it better, because I feel like it doesn't always blend as well with the fingers you start with. But you guys will figure it out. Like when you start using it, you'll see like what works better for you and stuff. So once I've done that, I am going to take my NYX Butter Lipstick in the color Ripe Berry, and I'm going to put that on my lips. You could definitely use a lip liner with this if you wanted to. I'm not going to. Alright, so this, you guys, is the finished look. I just think this is a really cute look. I like it with this color of top and everything. I'm super excited to be able to wear more fall looks and stuff. I absolutely love the fall. I'm so excited. I just wish that it would cool down here. I live in the South, so even at Christmas time sometime it's not cool down here. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my page. I'm going to see if I can figure out how to add like a subscribe button within the video as well to make it a little bit easier for you guys. And yeah, like, also don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm going to be linking all of those things as well. So I hope that you guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!